Hi, I'm going to do another video tutorial, but this time it's going to be on the stuff I like, and I like to do all the really weird wounds and scars and creepy things that you might do for Halloween, and I figured, why not go nuts on this one? I'm going to do something that it looks like I have leaves growing out of me, and you can't see this, well, and yeah, you get the point, but I think I'll be a human tree today, so we're gonna have to get started. I ripped these leaves off my mom's tree, so if you have one of those fake trees or you want real leaves, go ahead and rip some off. And then what you're gonna want to do is get a glue stick and get to stick on there, but you're gonna want to make it look like real skin. I don't know if you could see how that came out and all, but yeah, just try to make it as realistic as possible. Then you're going to want to take an eyeshadow brush. Wait, just kidding. You're not going to want to take an eyeshadow brush. You're going to want to do foundation. So mine's like a liquid foundation and then it turns to powder. And you're just going to want to blotch it on there. But I think I'm going to use a sponge for this one. Not that sponge though. This sponge. It's one of the corner sponges. It's not retaining any color. Can you find a clean sponge in there? Thank you. Shh! Quiet. Don't be loud. Quiet. Sorry. My sister just fell on her face. Ow! That was my mom yawning, so you guys know. Well, for the glue that I used, it's Staples glue. Staples. It was a glue stick, but it's like came out brown, so it looks natural. So when you get a good amount of your foundation or cover up on, then you're gonna want to take your eyeshadow brush. Where'd it go? Kidding me? Where'd it go? Oh, it's not it. I'm looking for
What's the date today?
my no, it's not it. Freaking kidding me. Okay, well, you're gonna want to start using your colors to make it look like it's a bruise. Where the heck did it go? Really? Are you kidding me? My LA colors is... Oh, I found it! I found it! Oh no, it's slipping. Okay, I got it. Got it. Okay, so, it's brown. And it's pretty much a bunch of brown colors, and then you've got an orange and a white. I really like this. I got this at the dollar store. It's amazing. Okay, so, whoa. Since you're trying to make yourself look like a tree, you're of course going to want to have a lot of brown. So take a medium brown. I'm using that one right now. You could see the color pretty well. You just sit. And I'm just kind of sort of dabbing it all over. You guys can't see that, can you? It's also ripping all the little hairs out of my brush. Why is this such bad lighting? Okay, well... You're just going to want to dab it randomly. You really don't have to get it all over the skin. Then you're going to want to take a darker brown color. I'm using that one. And you're just going to want to go on the skin, not on the actual glue. Because anytime you put a brown on the glue, it's always going to be a different color than when it's on your actual skin. So you're going to want to go all over your arm. Literally, all over your arm. Or wherever you're putting this. Try not to get it on the glue, though. Randomly, too. The more sporadic, probably the better, because wood is never one color completely. Ooh. Okay, now you're going to take a smaller, like, lip liner or eyeliner brush, and you're going to take that same really dark color, so like dark brown, maybe a black, and you're going to want to go on all the edges. I hope you guys can see that. Maybe you could see it better if I do that. I don't know if you can or not. Hopefully your brushes don't suck as much as mine. That would be my mom's phone. Sorry about that. Okay, take like
did you feed tonight
a weird orange color and just rub it around.
I appreciate
Take the dark brown
I just wanted to double check.
and make wood patterns.
Okay, thank you.
If you know what those look like, how they're the spirals and the lines. You want to get it under the leaf as well. You're going to want to take finishing powder. And take blush brush. Get plenty on there. And then just dab it all over everything. And set it. Preferably probably your color. So you know. Don't hit me with that. Can you guys see that? It's so much darker in real life. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Trying to get different lighting. Hopefully you can see that. It's actually starting to rip off my hand. Maybe that'll work. That looks better. So that's what my hand looks like right now. Except it probably won't be ripping off on yours. Okay, I'm trying to... Anyways, hope you all liked it. The subscribe is either which way, I'm not really sure. And, I'll hopefully get more stuff up anyways. And